Welcome to reenerskim channel today. She's gonna be reviewing for us lash lift. I don't know.
I'm gonna be reviewing the SC Naturals Enhanced Beauty Lash Lift Eyelash Perm Kit. Comes with the glue, 4 perm lotions, 5 lift pads, and cleaning tools. But I think they messed up because they gave me 2 lift pads.
So you got an extra lift pad?
Yeah, I got an extra lift pad, but I didn't get the cleaning tools.
Ooh.
So I have my own cleaning tools. 이거 그거잖아, 그치? 발톱 하는 거.
Is that? Oh yeah, that's how I use my toenails.
It's from your kit, toenail thing, but I cleaned it. Don't worry.
No, she didn't.
I did. 땀나.
So while Rena is getting a new outfit ready, I'm gonna be doing a slight review for you guys. Perm, fixation, nutrition, and cleanser. So it's a 4-step process. So directions. It comes with like cute directions on the. I've never described something as cute, by the way. I don't know what this camera is saying to me. You ready? She's ready.
I'm back. I'm gonna do my left eye first and then do my right eye because I saw a lot of people mess up. Okay, so first, use a cleanser to remove the oil, dust, makeup residue off my eyelashes. I'm gonna be using the Simple cleanser real quick. Number 2, I have to choose the right size of lift pads for eyelids. For longer lashes, choose large size. And I don't have long lashes, so I'm gonna have to use the small size. I think I have small lashes or short lashes. Yeah, I definitely have short lashes. Something like that. Step 3, put the glue all over the lift pads and wait until the glue is tacky. I'm just gonna wipe down my pad as well because I was touching it a lot. Oh no. I got cotton on the lash pad.
It's okay. A little cotton never hurt anybody.
A little cotton will never hurt anybody. Okay, cool. So I'm taking the small size, putting glue on it until it's tacky. Oh, okay. Ah! Forgot to do one thing. I wanted to curl my lashes beforehand. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes right now. Let's see. I just wanted to have it a little curl beforehand. Or at least a base, you know. Sorry, I'm popular. Number 5, then apply the glue on the base of the pad and wait until the glue is tacky. And then I'm just gonna brush my lashes off. Half of them are up right now. Right?
Hey, who beat you up?
I know. I might just do one eye today.
Gotta keep the viewers entertained.
I can't.
You're too busy.
I'm too busy. Look.
Yeah, I think you got it.
I did. This time, yay. It took me forever to get it all up, but it worked. Next step is to put the perm lotion. So this is where I really need to be careful, from what I know. Because this can't get in my eye. Oh! Oh, it smells like 그 한국 아줌마 파마 냄새, 그치?
Yeah, it smells like that perm.
진짜 perm 냄새야. My lashes are falling off the glue. I'm supposed to wait 8 to 12 minutes for this to dry. And it's 12:35 right now, so 8 to 12:43 I'll be back. Now I'm doing the number 2 fixing agent blue on my lashes. And now that that's on, I have to wait another 8 minutes. I don't know how long I've been waiting. I've waited 12 minutes, have I? Get the fixing agent off my eyelashes. Number 8, I need to clean my eyelashes on the pads and use the nutrition oil. It smells good. Oh, and I see my eyelashes starting to move because it's like oil based. And then once that's clean, I need to use the cleanser to clean off the eyelash glue residue. So taking the other side, I'm gonna dip the cleanser, go under your eyelids. Ah. So it worked. Oh, what the? It actually worked.
Wow, that looks pretty good. Your eyelashes look very clumped though.
Yeah, they are clumped. Compared to my normal lashes that just go down straight like this, it permed well. My eyelids are sticky right now because of the glue, but I don't think I'm gonna do my other lash today because I'm hungry. It's 1 p.m. See you later. Sorry for having a filter on. It's the morning after. I really like how my lashes turned out actually, because I washed it twice, but it's still very curled compared to my other one that's just going straight down like this. So I think I'm gonna do the other eye today, but I'm not gonna film it just because it just takes so long. Yeah, the filter doesn't really do anything to my eyelashes, so yeah, this is how it's like versus this one. Bye-bye.